Hi there, welcome to English Class Daily, a place to be if you want to become fluent in English. If you haven't done so already, subscribe so you can get daily updates on improving your English skills. Share with people who need this as well as yourself. And give it a thumbs up if you like the channel and the content I am sharing with you. Okay, so let's get started. In today's video, we're going to focus on nouns. Nouns are, what are nouns? Nouns are objects, places, people, and names. Okay, there are a variety of nouns and we use them in different circumstances. Okay, now today I'm going to cover a few types of nouns and following on with another video on another type of noun so we can take the learning step by step. Okay, the first noun to know is what we call a common noun. Now that sounds weird. Common noun? What's so common about it? For example, if I was to say, there are many cars, or look at that red car. Okay, so car is the common noun. Why is it common? There is no specific name given to this noun. There are many different types of cars that we see on a daily basis, but I'm just referring to car in general. Okay, so now that we know what a common noun is, what we need to now learn is proper noun. So I'm going to use the same sentence, but changing it to a proper noun. So there are, let's see, there is a Ferrari over there. I wish. There is a Ferrari, or look at that Ferrari. Now notice that the word Ferrari is a type of car. It's a brand. It's a model. It's a specific type of car. So it is given a name, and we always capitalize proper nouns. So we would always put a capital F when referring to Ferrari because that is the name of that car, making it proper. Okay, so we have common noun, proper noun. Now, when it comes to writing these down, remember common nouns always are lowercase unless it starts at the beginning of a sentence. For example, cars are great for getting from A to B. Now notice you could have cars with a capital C. However, that's only at the start of the sentence. If I put the word cars into the middle of a sentence, it would be like this. There are cars all over the city. Notice how it's lowercase now. Whereas if I was to say a Ferrari is a fast car, Ferrari is capital at the beginning and it will always be capital anywhere else in the sentence. Or if I say, look at that Ferrari over there, notice Ferrari is still capital in terms of its the way we write it is capitalized anywhere else in the sentence. Let's come up with another example. So if I was to say, my name is Victoria. So if I was to say, in fact, let's use someone else. Let's say boy, okay? There is a boy over there, okay? Or look at that boy over there. Notice boy is lowercase. Or if I was to name him Bob, let's say, look at Bob over there. Notice how Bob, capital letter as well for Bob, because his name is a proper noun. Whereas if I was to just say Bob, lowercase all the time because it is a common noun, unless the common noun begins at the start of the sentence. I hope that has given you some clarity on what common and proper nouns are and how we use them in a sentence. Do you have any questions? Feel free to comment in the comment section below. I always love to hear from you. And also make sure to subscribe. Would you like to take your learning a step further? Well, I have great news. I have a free e-course just for you to propel your learning in English. 4 pillars to success. Fast track to fluency. I would like to see you there. I look forward to see you there. Until next time, take care.